Sir, this is the honourable member, Mr. Gokhale, is the initiator of this very important discussion.
Very important.
We expect the person, the honourable member who initiates the discussion, to be very broad-minded as well as he should set the tone. But the way he has started the discussion, the words he has used from the very beginning, he started in a very negative note. We all are here to listen to the suggestion also, as well as we can accept the criticism. During his 12-minute address, he has not given even a single suggestion. We would welcome the suggestion of honourable members. We are discussing on the working of the Ministry of Home Affairs. Not a single suggestion on how to improve the working. He has been attacking left and right from the beginning. I don't understand. क्या इस तरह का भाषा इस्तेमाल करके वो अपने आप को क्या स्थापित करना चाहता है, बताइए। कोई तरीका है? आज तक मैंने ऐसा इनिशिएट करने वाला मेंबर देखा ही नहीं है। तो स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन करो राज्यसभा का। राज्यसभा में हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट करता है कि कम से कम जो मेंबर बोलते हैं एक स्टैंडर्ड डेकोरम मेंटेन करेगा। और इन्होंने जो बोला है 12 मिनट में, ये कोई सभ्य समाज में एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकता है। और राज्यसभा का गरिमा को गिराया है। क्या इस्तेमाल करता है? वो कोई तरीका है? इतना गिरा हुआ भाषण दिया है।
Honorable members, Saket, you can take 1 more minute, 2 more minutes, and conclude. And conclude on a soothing note.
Multiple people have spoken longer than me, sir.
Soothing note, because Parliamentary Affairs Minister said, one who sets the tone of debate.
Sir, he called my speech gira hua speech, but you won't expunge that.
No. I will look at every word, but 2 I have deleted already.
We also have objections.
I also object to that, sir. Anyway, sir,
Saket,
I want 2 sentences to conclude.
Saket, take your seat. Yes, Derek.
Now we are talking about getting personal. On record today, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister of India called my colleague not broad-minded. I take strong objection to anybody from here, calling anybody from here. This is not a commentary. Sir, you can. 1 minute, sir. Let me finish. Let me finish.
You said so.
Sir, please understand. 1 MP spoke. 3 ministers got up. You are in charge, sir. Give him 1 minute to conclude his speech and let's move on. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. One second.
गिरा हुआ नहीं, ब्रॉड माइंडेड का मैंने मतलब स्पीच को बोला है। दिस स्पीच इज नॉट वेरी ब्रॉड माइंडेड। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, डायरेक्ट, डोंट ट्राई टू मिस इंटरप्रेट अननेसेसरीली।
I have a strong objection. I have a strong objection as the president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Tadipar is a legal language which is used. In a democratic nation, he has got no right to use such words against my party, and that should be also withdrawn.
इन्होंने इंटरप्रिटेशन किया, डर गए। मैं किसी की कृपा से यहाँ नहीं आया हूँ भाई साहब। मैं 7 बार चुनाव जीत कर आया हूँ। एक आइडियोलॉजी का विरोध कर यहाँ नहीं घुस गया हूँ। डरने का क्वेश्चन डज नॉट अराइज। मान्यवर ये जो जिक्र कर रहे हैं, इस सदन को गलत तरीके की इंफॉर्मेशन दे रही है, इसलिए मैं स्पष्टता करने के लिए, नंबर ऑफ केस जो वो सीबीआई के कह रहे हैं, वो माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के और माननीय हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से चुनावी हिंसा के लिए रजिस्टर किए गए केस है। जो चुनावी हिंसा बंगाल में हुई, ये सारे करप्शन के केस नहीं है मान्यवर। चीर कर रखे। और चुनावी हिंसा किस प्रकार की? चुनाव में हमारी सीटें ज्यादा आ गई, चुन कर जहां हमारा बहुमत था वो बूथों में हत्या की दी गई, महिलाओं के साथ बलात्कार किए गए। जब पीड़ित लोग, कोई एक्शन नहीं, कोई अरेस्ट नहीं, पीड़ित लोग जब पहुंचे हाई कोर्ट में, हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से सीबीआई को जांच दिया गया है मान्यवर, हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से दिया गया है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानेंगे, हाई कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानेंगे। जमींदारी कौन कर रहा है वो अब पूरा देश देखेगा। आप हाई कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानते हो। ये सारे सीबीआई के जो केस है मान्यवर, हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से रजिस्टर्ड किए गए हैं और ये कह रहे हैं इनमें परिणाम नहीं आ रहा है। मैं इसलिए परिणाम नहीं आ रहा है, एक भी सीबीआई स्पेशल कोर्ट आज बंगाल में नहीं है, एक भी नहीं बनाई है।
Honorable member, and I'll appeal to the member.
Honorable Union Home Minister is here as well. So discussion on the Union Home Ministry today is being initiated by the All India Trinamool Congress. And guess who does Mamata Banerjee give the responsibility for initiating this discussion? She gives it to a 38-year-old MP who was thrown into jail for 6 months by the Modi government. So in the last week, we have this. मिर्ची लगने वाला भी आएगा, रुकिए जरा. In the last week, we have discussed 4 ministries, sir, with the cooperation of the government as well as the opposition. So most of the questions of the ministries of education, railway and health went unanswered. The Honorable Railway Minister even tried to pass a non-existent railway budget during his speech, but that's okay, sir. I'm glad that at least the discussions happened and they happened very smoothly. So today we are discussing the Union Home Ministry in the Council of States. It's a very big deal, sir, because law and order is a state subject. It is not meant to be controlled by the Union government. So the role of the Home Ministry is confined to internal security, control of India's borders, and disaster management. The role of the Union Ministry, Home Ministry, is not to interfere with the law and order machinery of the state. So sadly, in the last 11 years, the Union Home Ministry has erased the distinction between the Government of India and the Republic of India. So India is a union of states, all of which together constitute the Republic. However, sir, the Home Ministry today feels that the Union government is the sole representative of the Republic and the states don't mean anything. So the Home Ministry today has become a force for battling against states and for any person who tries to disagree with the Union government. So the Home Ministry is like a zamindar today, which treats states like its personal fiefdom, and anybody who opposes the government is treated as an enemy of the nation. Sir, certain small states sometimes are not able to stand up to this. But I'll promise you, sir, powerful states like West Bengal will always fight against this zamindari mentality. Sir, I'll give a little bit of background about how this Home Ministry functions and what's the problem, sir, particularly with respect to my state of West Bengal. Sir, in 2021, the Union Home Ministry passed a notification disregarding Parliament completely. The jurisdiction of the BSF, sir, on India's internal borders used to be about 15 kilometers. Sir, with this notification, they enhanced the jurisdiction from 15 to 50 kilometers. ठीक है. They did this in the opposition-ruled states of West Bengal and Punjab. You increase the jurisdiction from 15 to 50 kilometers in Punjab, West Bengal. In Gujarat, on the other hand, sir, which is BJP ruled, the jurisdiction of the BSF was reduced from 80 kilometers to 50 kilometers. Inside the borders is the job of the state police, sir. But again, infringing on the rights of states, you've given that power to the BSF to control it. So my state, West Bengal, is unique, sir. We have the longest international border of any state in India. We also share our border with 3 countries, sir: Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. Anything that happens in these areas, sir, we are also gateway to the northeast. Any geopolitical tension has a direct bearing on us. You would expect that the Union Home Ministry would want to work together with the state, give the state its dues. So there is some data which I want to present here, which just shows how Bengal is being treated, sir. Sir, in 2011-12, under the then UPA government, sir, Bengal received 44 crores under the Central Modernization Fund. 2011-12. 10 years later, 2021-22, how much did Bengal get? 0 rupees. So 2013-14, Bengal got 59 crores. 10 years later, 23-24, 0 rupees. So between 2020 to 2024, in 4 years, we should have gotten 160 crores, sir, by previous estimates. In these 4 years, we did not get a single rupee from the Union government. So today, West Bengal has pending dues of 386 crores from the Union Home Ministry. Sir, forget borders, forget internal security. Sir, safety of women. I'm sure that the Honorable Home Minister are also concerned about that. Sir, the West Bengal Assembly unanimously passed the Aparajita bill for the safety of women. That bill has made its way to the President, who will only assent to it based on the advice of the Council of Ministers, the Union Home Ministry. That bill is still stuck, sir. Repeatedly, we've requested, unanimously passed by all parties, but no approval has been given, sir. Sir, I'll now come to my favorite bit, sir, because I've had a little bit of experience with this. The central agencies, sir. These central agencies, sure, under previous governments, the Supreme Court has said that, they're a caged parrot, etc., etc. But the BJP claims to be a party with a difference. So we thought things would change. Nothing has changed in the last 11 years. For the benefit of the honorable member, sir, I'm going to now read out the glorious record of the CBI, sir. So over 6,900...
One second. Honorable Home Minister.
मान्यवर, मुझे लगता है आपने गृह विभाग की चर्चा के लिए इनिशिएट करने के लिए किया है। शायद उनको मालूम नहीं है माननीय सदस्य जी को कि सीबीआई और बाकी सारी एजेंसियों के नाम जो वो बोलना चाहते होंगे, एक भी गृह विभाग में नहीं है। ये क्या मीमांसा कर रहे हैं? उनको सिर्फ गृह विभाग की बारे में चर्चा करना चाहिए। मेरा एक टेक्निकल ऑब्जेक्शन, अगर आप एरिया वाइड करना चाहते हो तो फिर मुझे भी करने दीजिएगा, जवाब देने में हर चीज का जवाब दिया जाए।
ऑनरेबल मेंबर।
सर, मंत्री जी सवाल से पहले इतना डर गए, आगे क्या होगा मुझे पता नहीं।
No.
I did not even refer to the CBI. Anyway, sir, उनको बढ़ाना है तो स्कोप बढ़ा दीजिए. He is free to do that.
Saket.
Sir, over 6,900 cases of corruption have been registered by the CBI, sir. So over 6,900 cases of corruption, a pending trial, cases registered by the CBI. So over 361 corruption cases have been pending since more than 20 years. I'm not yielding, sir. I'm not yielding. I am not yielding, sir. I'm not yielding. He needs to learn to listen. I'm not going to yield. I refuse to yield, sir.
1 second.
Under the rules, I am allowed to refuse to yield.
Second.
I'm not going to refuse. I'm not going to yield to him, sir.
1 second.
He can wait for...
Mr. Gokhale, listen to the chair, please. When there is a jurisdictional issue, Honorable Home Minister.
मान्यवर,
Honorable Home Minister.